to America?
Parce que autrefois, les wak travail, qui n'apprend. On était capable de bon, wak nous qui faire coucher. Et puis, au montrer, il connaît à l'aide de coucher là, il va jouer un travail pour le faire. Mais, quand il y a là, mon ami doit finir apprendre, mais il n'y a pas un espace pour le passer.
So I would tell people, stop buying things that is not good, that is costing like $10. You're going to go on a bar, you're going out today, you just go to a store and buy yourself a dress for $10 because it costs $10, I don't need to throw it away. And tomorrow you're going to do the same thing over and over and over again.
As awareness of fashion's impact on our world is growing, there are key leaders in the industry who are beginning to question the impacts of a model built on careless production and endless consumption.
Patagonia, we hate the word consumers. We've got to find a better word. We prefer customers, and we prefer also customers who recognize the impact of their consumption. They recognize that as consumers, they're part of the problem. We are hopeful that we can encourage our customers to join us and really question this consumption. Because without a reduction in consumption, we don't feel that we'll really collectively find a solution to the problems we face that are collectively, year by year, resulting in the continued decline of health of our planet.
I mean, the fashion industry just needs to think. It needs to just stop and sort of look at how it's been working in a conventional way and just sort of question it, challenge it, you know, and that's, for me as a designer, that's the most exciting thing that I do now. More exciting than saying, oh, I love this colour this season, or this is the silhouette or the hemline. For me, a way bigger challenge and excitement is actually looking at my industry and saying, you know what, I'm going to try and do it in a way that is not as harmful to the planet.
Business through advertising has pulled society along into this belief that happiness is based on stuff, that true happiness can only be achieved with an annual, seasonal, weekly, daily increase in the amount of stuff you bring into your life. That we want to encourage our customers to think twice about those assumptions, to understand where they came from, and through that understanding to know that we can all together, we can change how this is done.
The customer has to know that they're in charge. Without them, we don't have jobs. You know, and that is really important. So you don't have to buy into it. If you don't like it, you don't have to buy into it.
I love the embroidery, Shanti.
The embroidery is very nice.
Don't you think we should have the embroidery on both sides? I think we should definitely have the embroidery here as well. I think it looks a bit mean to have it just on the front, so let's have it on the sides too. It won't add much cost. It's not so dense, is it? Swallows is a fair trade fashion business, but it's also a development society, so it helps more than 3,000 people in this village. I come here every 4 months. We call them production trips, and we're working with the producers, trying to find out, you know, what are the barriers to making a great product and to getting it to the market. And we're also doing fair trade capacity building, so looking at, you know, what are the obstacles to delivering more social benefit or improving, you know, the environmental protection in these areas. For me, this is about partnering. This is about finding creative solutions together with the team here, and really listening to what their problems are and finding a way that works together. I want to invite the best employee here at Swallows. I want to invite one female representative from Swallows to come to London in autumn or next spring. And I would like you to think who will be that best representative. But I want you to know who your customers are, and I want you to really understand the marketplace and come back and tell your friends.
আগামী বছরে আপনাদের ভিতর থেকে যে সবচেয়ে ভালো সুনামের কাজ করেছে এরকম একজনকে লন্ডনে নিয়ে যাবে।
Either if she does a single thread, single stitch, then maybe she needs to do more densely,
Okay.
more concentrated.
এটা কি এইটা
This no.
আর এটা আছে এখানে কিন্তু আচ্ছা এটা করতে হবে এখানে কি সিঙ্গেল নাও আছে একবার বেরোচ্ছে এই সিঙ্গেল দিয়ে দুইবার করে এখানে দেখা যাচ্ছে
So, guys, if she continues for a bit, we're going to go up to the sample room now, Professor Steve.
Yeah.
Can she come and show us the next
Yeah.
one that she does?
Yeah.
I kind of hope that people she wouldn't be necessary. And I hoped that, we have a training system that looks after people's rights and the environment. So
Okay.
more and more involved I want in developing and working closely with partners with more dirt and filth I discovered about how trading practices undermine everything that we believe in and everything I know most people believe and value. I don't know, people just really grew organically. It grew from a really great collection of people that feel passionately that there's a different way of working, of living, of consuming, of interacting with people in a very humane way. I didn't necessarily feel that there'd be 1,000 shops selling people trees a day. And I think there's so much more that we need to do. Because I think it's not just about creating jobs for the 7,000 people that work for people tree. It's also about being a catalyst for change within the industry and proving the model works.
First in organic, I think there's only 2 or 3 of us at the time, because we formed the Texas Organic Cotton Marketing Cooperative, and the deal was they'd grow it and I'd sell it. So started going to like Jacob Javits and having this whole deal, cotton plants and everything, and we've got organic cotton, and people would just look at us like we were absolutely crazy. Many times consumers become aware of organic milk, or they have an allergy, and so interestingly enough, cotton and what they put on their body, even though the skin's the largest organ on your body, isn't even on their radar screen, because they're not getting the connection of, oh, I eat this organic apple, therefore I'm not directly ingesting pesticides or chemicals or whatever the case may be. But they don't get that direct connection with clothing. And so you have to start looking at in that bigger community scope. That is about our air, it's about our world, it's about our planet, it's about our people. And so it is that awareness of, you may not feel that you're having the direct impact by buying this organic shirt, but the impact you're having is in the bigger picture in the world at large, and especially in the community where the cotton's grown.
As the hard freeze comes, as organic farmers, we wait for that freeze, because that literally defoliates, takes the leaves off the plant, so that when we harvest, the bulb is open, the mature, and it leaves the cotton here. You can see it kind of comes out in sections. So this machine that's coming is called the cotton stripper.